I want to take a minute to help you with our youravon.com site. Many of you have had questions about how to use the new order system. It's very similar, not much has changed. The look has changed, but let's just take a look at it together. So once you've logged into youravon.com, you're going to want to go to this first tab that says My Orders. So let's click there. Okay, so this is very similar to what you've seen before. It has your customer search. If you want to search a name, I'm going to just build an order based on myself. Okay, and this one will be campaign 13 for me, but here you'll see the different buttons that you can click. You can click the campaign before the current campaign, and you can also build a future order. But let's just take a look at my order for this particular campaign that I'm in. You're going to click Create Your Order, just as we've done in the past. That hasn't changed. Now what's changed here, visually this area looks different. There's a couple of different things that I want you to take a look at. You have your item entry form, which is where you can just input your product item number right here. I'll just type in here for you. Okay, so you can put that number right there, quantity, and you have the drop-down menu again so that you can, if you need to back order from another campaign, you can just click that number, type in the product number and the quantity, and then you can add that to your order. Now, if you're like me, a lot of times I like to look at the brochures as I'm shopping. So you're going to click this area here which says Shop by Brochures and Flyers. So let's click that. Now, this is what's very new. In the past, we did not have this, this type of menu. So it will always default to the current menu, which you can see here. Campaign 13 for me would be the current. You can click this to view that particular brochure, okay, and it's going to open up. Now, you'll see side arrows here to go front and back, okay. And so let's click the side arrow here so you can see. So this is as if you are basically using the page. Okay, so you're going to be flipping through the brochure. This is where you can see the items. For example, if you want this tropical tote, you want some more information about it, it'll show a little bit bigger picture. You can select the version, add the quantity, and then add that to your order. And then you always click the X to close that box. We can go back to scrolling through our brochure. And you can see that now the brochure pages move quite quickly as opposed to the other format that we had. Now, the great thing about here is you'll see these, whenever you see these down arrows, these are drop-down menus. So from this particular location, you can choose from any of these other brochures or outlets. So I want to take a look at what's new. So I'm going to click what's new from the drop-down menu, and immediately it opens up our what's new brochure. And this is one of my favorite places to start, is in my what's new. And again, you'll use your right and left arrows to choose the products or to flip the pages, and then you can actually click the product to see a little bit better description of it. 8-piece a new clean cleansing pack that actually includes the cleansing brush. This is a great deal, just to let you know. I have tried this product line and it is awesome. You guys are really going to love it. So we'll just click through here. Now you can actually click each page if you want to view it larger, and it'll go all the way through this brochure. The great thing about the new system is you can pick and choose directly from where this particular location. You don't have to go all the way back out to the order entry screen to pick and choose the various brochures and outlets. You can just, it saves you a lot of time. The ordering part is the same. You click the item, add it to your cart. Okay, so let's take a look here. I'm just going to click. So for example, if I wanted to add the Mark Beachy Body Spray, I would hit my quantity, add to order. Okay, you'll have a choice of view your order or continue shopping. If I'm done with all my items, I can click view my order. View my order will then take me to the order entry screen. And again, this is then the same. Okay, you'll see your order here, your items that you can scroll down. You can edit that order. You can continue to add orders to the carts. If we view the cart, And this is where we then can continue to complete our order. Just give the system a minute. Okay, so our order cart, it will show the customer, the number of orders you have, the quantity, the item. If you're ready to order, you're then going to click this box to identify that particular order. You'll fill out how many customers, and if you'd like regular shipment or ship immediately. You'll want to always click regular shipment unless this is an add-on order. You can click continue to add brochures. The system will prompt you to add more brochures if you would like to add brochures to your order, which you should have a supply of brochures on hand for yourself. Give it a minute. All right, and so this is great because it actually shows you a visual of each brochure, the type. You can order Spanish, English. It also gives you an opportunity for your Bug Guard aerosol spray. I'm going to go ahead and continue to my order summary. Okay, and once you get to the order summary, this will show you your estimated total. Shipping and handling is free right now through May 31st. Your estimated total, your estimated earnings, and it'll break it down here, how many orders you have, how many customers you show. You'll then click the Submit Order button. This will then conclude it. You will also receive an email confirmation after that. So as you can see, although the visual part of this order process has changed, the basic order process is very similar. We've just helped to expedite how we transition from brochure to brochure to brochure and given you a better visual package. If you have any additional questions on how to order, please feel free to call me at 253-345-8114. You can Facebook message me or text me, whatever you'd like. My email address is sandra.calvillo, that's CALVILLO @avon.com. Thanks so much, everyone.